Today I am reviewing this accordion file organizer. It offers practical storage solutions. I like it all bunches up into this small compartment. It has this drawstring on the front, easy closure. And then check this out. You open it up, has a nice handle to grab here. You can label everything that's installed in there. Nice and color coded. And you know, you have these labels up here, these places you can put labels here. And it even comes with the labels right there, so that's super useful. And then to pull it apart, if it gets full, it expands just like this, like an accordion. So that's super useful. And then you can get all your files if you need to carry it with you. Simply pull it up, wrap this around, and it's this nice little size that could fit in a briefcase. As you can see here, it perfectly fits file organizer to keep